In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a book cover on KDP, a KDP tutorial designed especially for beginners. So if you're getting ready to refresh your book's aesthetics and breathe new life into your published work, you've come to the right place. By the end, you'll know exactly how to give your book a facelift with ease. Now let's delve into the steps. Firstly, make sure you're logged into your Amazon KDP account. Once you're in, head over to your bookshelf. This is where you can view all your titles that have been published, are in draft form, or are in review. It's basically your platform hub for managing your publications. This step is as simple as going to the home page and clicking on the Bookshelf tab. That'll guide you to the screen where you will find a list of all the books you currently have on KDP. Next, find the book for which you'd like to update the cover. Once you've located it, click on the button, or simply look for an Edit Book Contents option next to the book listing. This will take you to a detailed menu where you can begin the editing process. It's essential to ensure that you're selecting the right title, as this will take you directly into the heart of your book's current setup. Now comes the core of our task, uploading your new cover file. Within the book content section, there's an option to upload or change your current cover. Prepare your new cover file on your computer and make sure that it meets the KDP guidelines in terms of size and format, typically PDF for print or JPEG PNG for Kindle. Once ready, click on the Upload button and select your new cover file. Take a moment to review how it looks by using the Preview option, ensuring everything is in order and appears just as you envisioned. Finally, after double-checking the new cover, you're at the last stretch. It's time to save your changes and republish your book. Go ahead and click the Save and Continue button. This will prompt KDP to review your changes, and once approved, your updated cover will go live. Republishing might take a few moments, so patience is key here. This process ensures that the updated cover is displayed on the book's listing both on Amazon and in anyone's Kindle library post-purchase. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to update a book cover on KDP. Remember, keeping your book covers up to date can attract new readers and help reinvigorate your existing audience. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you wish to make further updates.